Okay, so now we're going to do this Valair clutch. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this assembly apart so I can get my flywheel bolted to the engine. And you gotta pull the starter off too to shim this out. So you can't forget that. There's the shim right there. And for those of you who maybe haven't been in this yet, this would be the time you want to change your rear main seal. Get that out of the way. Super easy. Just do it while you're in there so you don't have to worry about it later down the line. Okay, so when you get this unbolted, I'm gonna take and flip everything over. Keep it in order. I'm putting all my bolts that was holding that together in one of these baggies, just so you don't lose them. Nice brand new bolts. I believe this part here goes, where's that in there? I think that goes into the block. Okay. Now I gotta figure out the torque specs. Okay, according to the information I found on the internet, these go to 102 foot-pounds. And the website that comes with this kit for some reason wasn't working. But I found a sheet online. These are 102, and I believe these are 44. So let's get to it. Okay. Make sure you put Loctite on all these bolts too. Now we're going to spray this down with some brake clean. Wipe it down. And we're going to put these on in reverse order if we took them apart. And it clearly says which side, flywheel side. Probably a good idea to wipe this secondary plate off as well. This one says pressure plate side. Something like that. These get torqued down to 44 foot-pounds. I know most people probably wouldn't actually do this part and they just run them in, but you spend this type of money, you don't want to have to take it back off, redo it. So I'm going to do by the book. Four. Keep that on there. I'd like to thank my friend Anthony Reams at XDP for helping me get my order in. If you guys would like to order some parts like what I have here, go to xdp.com. Also check out Anthony Reams Racing on YouTube. You can find him in the XDP drag truck from back in the day, or nowadays in his dirt track car. So go check him out and give him a thumbs up and subscribe.